Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kaji Fawaz Ahmed Jim from Designer Dollar. Today I am very happy to see your smiling faces and happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. May this Eid will brings you all the happiness and remove the all the sorrows of your past and let it be okay. So today I am bringing for you a new tutorial, a After Effects animation tutorial, or you can say it motion graphics related tutorial. So this is a invitation, or this is a wishing video, a short animation video. So you can easily create with the integration of Adobe After Effects and Adobe Photoshop CC. So let's get it started. Before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so definitely consider subscribing. And if you want to know anything about this kind of video, so definitely you can write down in the comment section and share this video more and more. So enjoy this video. Let's get it started. So first you have to go the Photoshop, the Adobe Photoshop CC. So there are some images of someone special for me. She is a really talented um, student and talented woman, because she can sing, she can dance, and she can pronunciate the English words, the Bangla words very, and some of the other countries very clearly and very encouraging. So today her birthday, so that's why I have created a short animation, or you can call it the motion graphics animated video. So let's see how I create this kind of things. So first you have to go the layers, and this is a circle. Okay, this is because this is a breakdown video. So I will tell you about the whole process of making this kind of these things. So this is a circle, and you can change it here. Okay, this is a you can say it the floral things, the floral, sorry, uh, 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 uh. Yes, okay, fine. This is a floral set. You can download it from easily from the freepik.com. So if you want to have these kind of things, so definitely you, if you can find these kind of things, so definitely write down in the comment section. I will give you the link, the free link. So this is absolutely free. So this is the floral set. This is the stars. You can also find it in the free resources, but I recommend you to have this from the freepik.com. This is absolutely a smart technique to have these kind of things from there. This is the balloon, and everything I have created how, because these all things are literally separated. So that's why you have the total, and you have the complete you can say it the complete, whatever you call, I think it's called the ability to get these kind of things. And these are the pictures. I am using the three of the pictures so far, but you can take one picture or several pictures like that. And this is the name of her. Her name is Sadeh Afrin. So wish her a very good happy birthday. Okay, fine. And this is another layer. This is the cake. This is the balloon, and this is the gift. And this is just a safe. So it's like a Mustang, but I definitely don't know what it is. And these are some of the flowers, but I have masked them because I want to give a feel that these things are separated. So that's why I have created these things like they are separated. Okay, so all the things are here in the layer section. Make it big. Okay, and you can see this, some of them are groups, because I want to, let's say this is a group, because these elements are very big and I have only a 22-inch monitor that I'm using right now. I have not no enough room or enough breadth to see you the whole process, whole layers. So that's why I have grouped it. Okay, fine. And another, let's write it. So go to the, after separated these things, go to the file and then save as like a save on your PC, and let give them a, give it a name and save it as a Photoshop PSD. Or if you are working on Adobe Illustrator, then it will be the AI, that means Adobe Illustrator. Okay, let's close it. I don't want to save this because I have already created. And now go to the After Effects CC or After Effects CS6 or the earlier version, whatever you want to edit on that. So I like to edit, or I like to animate things in this software, because this is I am using in I am using this software since I was since 3 years, since for 3 years or 4 years. Okay, so I am very familiar with this software. So let's create a new composition by clicking the new project, and uh, let the composition settings like 180, sorry 1080, and height it should be 1920, because I am creating a animated video for Instagram or the IGTV or whatever you like. You can also swap these things for your YouTube purpose or Facebook purpose, but this is all up to you. And this is the frame rate 29.97 and 21 second, 10 millisecond. The time is I am using, but you can limit it the time as far as you want. Okay, let's create. Okay, but I have already created a new composition, so I don't want it. Okay, fine. Let's go there and click on the BD, but that means but okay, let's zoom it closely. Okay, uh, make it like that. Okay, uh, so this is the animation. Let's see how change the resolution on half. Okay, first you have to render these things, and after you can see it is very smooth. Okay, let's see. Let's click on the for not okay, I don't need them. Okay, fine. So this is the animation, the short animation, animated video. Okay, so how I create these things? So first go to the layers. You can see there are several layers of it, but one thing I have to mention you, that first you have to take the music from whatever you want to do, or what you want from there. So take the music and then bring it to the um, composition panel, and then this is a gradient. So if I unlock these things, okay, fine, you can see this is a gradient. Hide it, unhide it. Okay, this is just a gradient. Or you can also pick this kind of gradients from any free resources or any free any websites from. Okay, fine. and then this is a shape, just a shape wallpaper. You can definitely may design it into your software, whatever you want to do, from Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, whatever you like. Okay, fine. This is a layer, but there is one thing I have to mention. Let's hide it. Okay, this is just a circular a circle, as I showed you in the Photoshop CC. So this is just a circle, and after make a rectangular or circle, sorry, after make a circle, how I create this cycle, click on the ellipse tool and hold the shift and alt button from the keyboard, and let's make a circle from here. Okay, fine. And click on the move button. Sorry, I made a mistake. I don't want to mask anything in here. I have to click on the outside of the frame, and then click on the marks, then create a shape. After this creating this shape, you can bring a photo underneath, sorry, and not under yes, underneath the this shape, and you can click a click here, or if you don't see this, press the F4 uh, to see between, switch the F4 button from your, sorry, keypad, from your keyboard, and then click on here the trackmate, and click the alphabet circular 2 or whatever you want to say. Okay, fine. So this is just a method I have showed to you. Okay, fine. So because I am using three of these of her images, so that's why I have these three circles as per I need it. Okay, so let's remove it from here. Okay, fine. So this is one thing, and the second thing is the main title. The main title is her name. You can see this from here clearly. Okay, fine. This is her name, the main title. I have just put a some of the positions keyframe. That's it. This is not very difficult to have it or to bring it. This is very cool. Okay, fine. Let's undo. Okay, where is the main title? Here. Yes, press the P button for position, and definitely you can see the keyframe, the two keyframes here. First, I don't want to make anything changes of it. That's why I want to let it be default, and then create a keyframe from here. Just click on the stopwatch here, and then click here again. Let's create a stopwatch. Then you can position it as you want. You can see the word of the font name is losing its balance. So this is how I create. Okay, fine. Then go to the gift. You can also see the two keyframes here also, because this method is just like of it, not very difficult. These things are have created very with very smoothly and with very consciously. Okay, fine. The gift here, and again also the the existing method is applied into the cake layer. Again, see, again. Okay, fine. This is very easy to create. Okay, and then the composition, sorry, the yes, this is also a composition. You can pre-compose these things. If I double click on that, then you can see the stars is here. But one thing I have to mention you, because this is a star, if I press the T here from here, and you can see the red letters here. Because why this is red? Because firstly you have to position, you have to put a position keyframe from for this layer, and then you have to click the alter, press the alter button from the keyboard, and then hit here the opacity keyframe, and then you have to write down the expression that wiggle. Basically, what does it mean? Because this is the number how you wiggle these things. You can see this if I solo. Yes, let's bring it. Sorry. Yes, if I zoom it here, let's see. You can see the wiggling effects from here. So this is how I have created this wiggle. So by an expression, you can learn the expression from other videos, but if you learn from me specifically, so write down in the comment section, let me know how you want or what you want to learn from me, then I will create a video. Okay, fine. Let's talk about the elements. If I position keep it, I don't think I have any keyframe. Oh yes, I have the opacity keyframe here. Yes, you can see the opacity keyframe as per like those things. Again, just a simple presentation of this thing. And again, go to the floral set. Just this is very interesting. You will definitely be happy after seeing this. Let's play it. Okay, quality. So why I have done this kind of things? Because I want to see the images from here by uh, 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 by the image. Just see this. Yes, this is the image. So it will encourage you to create more videos like this, or it will influence you of and or the others to grab a great attention to see this video. So that's why I have created these things. This is very this looks very cool, this looks very professional, and it is very easy to use. Okay, fine. Let's the balloon. Let's talk about the balloon. This is a balloon, and again I have put the positions keyframe onto the balloon layer. One thing I have to do, because I think it should be like this. Okay, fine. Now, sorry, go to the next go to the real uh, keyframe, and then drag them here. Nice. Nice. These are the keyframes of the balloon. Okay, fine. And again, the right balloon, you can also see from here. Nice. It is going upper side. Okay, fine. And then it will go outside of the frame while finishing this video. Nice. Sorry, go to the real keyframe. uh, Sorry, where the keyframes are. Okay, here. Nice. If I check this out, I check this. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the bright balloon, and this is the composition of the flowers. You can see the whole flower set the in here. Okay, and let's see. So this is some this is the method. You can have to tweak some settings because if you see eagerly, so this is a scale key parameter keyframe. From here you can position it right this, and keyframe from here and goes here, goes outside the frame. So this is the position, only just the parameters of the positions. Okay, fine. Now let's see the letters. If you can write the letters here. Okay, this is the letters, and I have put it effects onto the letters. I don't remember right now, but I have to tell you about the text. It should be here, the organic. Oh yes, the method is to deep bounce. I think deep bounce the is the effect that I have put it on there. You can see here. Okay, fine. Nice. So this is the letters again. Another letter is here, a small greeting from me. uh, 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 oh, sorry. Yes, just a normal letter. You can see the parameters of I think opacity. No, there is no any parameters. Thus it is a simple letter. And lastly, I have created a null for the cake and the gift. You can also manually tweak some the settings of them, but if I because of making this kind of animation freely, I have created a null and parent them with a null. That's why you can see the null here, and it looks very professional. Okay, so after these things you are good to go. I think it's video you after seeing this video you can create your own animation from the After Effects software, or whatever you like. And this is very easy to use, easy to make, and easy to grab an attention from others for others. Okay, that's enough. So that's it, this is the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video so much. And if so, then definitely hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. So no more today. I hope you will see my other video in future that I am going to make for you. So till then, take care of yourself, and happy Eid Mubarak again. Bye bye.